Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or remove home button in Google Chrome browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Chrome browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. In Chrome settings, select appearance in the left sidebar. On the right, under appearance, you will see this one option, show home button. By default this is disabled on Chrome browser. You need to enable this one option. Just toggle on this one switch. After toggling on this one switch, you can select these two options. New tab page, this will simply open a blank tab page, and in case you want to open a specific website by clicking on the home button, turn on this one option, next one option, and type your website address, and then you can close this one Chrome browser and open a new tab, and you will see this one home button is available. In case you have enabled this one home button, this will appear home button at here before address bar, and clicking on this one, depending on your configuration, it will open a new tab or it will automatically open your specified web page on your Windows 11 or 10 PC.